like that meal small, medium, or large size?
Medium, please.
$9.66. Thank you. Full round.
Thank you. The lady at Spangles gave us a whole cup of treats. You like that, Chloe? Yeah, treats. Chase's BMW M3.
I wish.
What you got done to this thing, man?
Catless downpipe, muffler delete, and soon to be tuned on 93 octane.
Whoa.
All the boost.
All the boost, huh? Oh, you're vapor too, huh? That's right, vape boys.
Never vaped in Subi.
Oh man, this should have been a Subaru, man. You're the vape legend. That's right. What we about to do today, man? We're about to go to your buddy's house, and then we're gonna what? Wash the
cars, detail the out of them, and probably take some pictures with this thing.
America. Yeah. All right. Show us what we got today, man.
See, this is the new tire shine product that we're gonna use today.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's
yeah. How do you apply that?
You chug it.
Oh, okay. All right.
Because I use
tire and trim coating. You guys see that?
Ooh.
Whoa.
Mint.
We're gonna give you guys an honest review. We're gonna test these products out on the vehicles today. My buddy's Chase, the 10-second BMW.
13 seconds.
Oh, you've actually ran it?
Yeah, 13.9, bro.
On my Subaru. Kyle over there's got a white WRX STI Impreza in the garage. I smell vape. Max Power Car Wash, huh? Some more goodies in there? Also got a bucket full of goodies, man. We got sponges
like
back here.
And brushes and everything.
Oh yeah.
What's up? Yeah.
Vape check, man. Show us what you got right there, dude.
Mine.
That's yours?
Yeah.
Whoa. She's a chugger. Chase, why don't you tell YouTube what's coming in today that you've already told us many times?
My front lip.
Fastest Cobalt in Wichita.
This is Kyle right here.
Hey.
The fastest Cobalt 1320 shirt. Check him out.
Pretty much stock. It just has, well, it's not even together right now.
Oh, quick release hood latches. That's what I'm talking about. What is that? A V8?
No, it's a Regetek.
Oh damn.
It's a 2-liter turbo.
That's messed up, dude.
It's stock turbo. Pretty much the motor's never been touched. Just Catless downpipe and a cold air intake when it gets back together. On the 85 soon.
Whoa. What's the curb weight on this?
It comes out of factory at 2850, I believe.
Wow. Yeah, that's quick.
Yeah, I'm still trying to figure out some training stuff because I put a different transmission in it, so I'm trying to figure out my mounts and all that.
So what's stopping it from running?
Money.
Yeah, money. I have a new ECU on the way, new intercooler, need axles, headlights for sure because these ones are broken, and then it's pretty much just a bunch of labor.
And you said this was faster than that blue BMW over there?
Yeah. Get faster, like probably around like 320, 350 at the wheel or so.
Wow. On a 2,800 pound car.
Shooting for about 400 at the wheel this summer.
This summer?
85 the cams.
Bottom end, stock bottom end can hold that?
Yeah, they can hold about 500 at the wheel if you're lucky. Treat them right.
I went and got the wrong car then. I should have went and got this thing.
Yeah, I bought my my first one was a 2009.
Uh-huh.
I bought it for 7,500 and I wrecked it. I slid off the road and hit a pole. Tires are just like straight bulged. And then pulled the motor out of the wrecked car and all the interior, all the parts I needed, and bought this roller and just now putting it back together.
Oh, you bought this as a shell and you threw everything in?
Yeah.
The shell came with full interior?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't have the key on it though, but
It's all good.
And leaking roof.
yeah, it's locked. But it's been sitting for a while, as you can tell. All this fucking pollen build up.
Well, we'll be back whenever you, we're gonna have to get a video of this first start and some pulls in it.
Sure.
Yeah.
Right as it gets done, it's gonna be going on the dyno, so I'll take some videos.
Hopefully you invite me over. We can get that for the
sure.
for the YouTube viewers. Say what's up.
What's up, YouTube?
All right.
Bye.
All right, Chase. What's going on today, man?
Goodies.
What'd you say?
Ever seen a lifted BMW before?
Never. Never. Now, what was you said there was two purposes to the lip. One was to make it look good, and what was the other one?
Hide all these glorious things.
Oh, those look nice, dude. Why would you want to hide that? Okay, pretty simple, huh?
It's cute.
Just line her up and screw her in. We just came across an issue. The stock holes do not align with the new lip holes. The mechanic of the year right there, man. All right, Chase, what did we do first, man? We just pre-lined it first with the screws, just a temp install.
Yes, sir.
Look at those beautiful fingers, dude.
Oh yeah.
You could pass for like a model or something.
With all the calluses and all the chewed off fingernails, yeah.
There was a hole in the center that we had to pre-drill. And the self-locate right there. Lip came with supplied hardware. These little tabs right here just slide into place. These little like metal nut plates, I guess. What's going on with you, bruh?
Huh?
What's going on with you? Life well spent. Oh, we got the dogs on you? How you doing, man? What's going on, bro? We're doing some hood rat garage stuff over here on the Beamer.
Yo, I'm about to go pick up a Civic too.
The Civic?
Same color, same everything, but stock in the
Oh. Oh, look at that, man. That's a beautiful dog.
Yo, Migo. Tell
Yeah.
your female what's up.
Dude, I already spaded her, bro. I told you that.
So sad. I think you did.
All right, do a little poll, man. Show YouTube what you got, man. That K series. Alright YouTube, that will conclude today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the car wash, and I hope you guys enjoyed the BMW lip install, as well as Kyle's updates on his Cobalt SS. Hopefully we can get that running soon. Start doing some pulls in it. He's hoping for 400 wheel horsepower by the end of summer. Updates on the Subaru. I don't know if I'm going more towards aesthetics or more towards more performance mods in the future. Hoping for full bolt-ons with flex fuel and wheels and a full lip kit. That should be a good stopping point right there. Thinking about a blow-off valve, you know, front mount intercooler, TGV, EGR deletes. I don't know yet. I don't know what I want. I'm still deciding. On the other hand though, whew, check that bad boy out, right? Check that bad boy out, boys. That's that brand new vape right there, that steam pipe. Oh yeah, the Subi just got a new mod. Check that out, yeah buddy. Lost Vape with Ryan. Looks a little feminine, but hey, don't judge me. Don't judge me. Alright. I did go to the gym yesterday. It's back day. I was doing some shrugs and I pulled a muscle in my neck. That's why I'm not at work right now. If you look, I can turn my head to the left just fine. But when I go right, that's all she's got, boys. That's all she's got. So I am a little handicapped, but you know what? I'm still gonna be filming, still dropping footage, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for staying. If you guys have stayed this long, you guys are the greatest. Thank you for all the positive feedback that you guys have been doing. Peace. I'll see you guys in the next one.